Today I'll be going over how to make custom Stickerbook entries. So first thing you're going to want to do is search for Stickerbook comp. Open that up. You're going to want to click on plant classes. Open up Torchwoods. So what you're going to do is insert after and then copy Torchwoods plant class into there. And then for make a new one, or to add the image, you can basically add whatever description you want. You don't have to use a string. I don't know why PopCap did this, but you're gonna want to open, you're gonna find, you're gonna open and find Torchwood default here. Actually, you don't want to duplicate it, don't open it. I just lied to you. Name whatever you want. Make sure you manage bundles. If you don't have this downloaded, I don't know what's wrong with you. So you're gonna open that, and then you're gonna add it to the new class you just made in the Stickerbook. So now you're gonna open objects, go to layers, and get rid of these pieces since we're only making one layer. Then you're gonna open texture mapping, and then you're gonna also find this in Data Explorer. You're gonna duplicate this as well. So you're gonna open it, open output. You're only gonna want one of these, so you can delete the rest. Open this up. As you can see, we have Torchwood's background image. Since this is going to be the only layer, this is the only one that's going to show up. Now what you want to do is add a new image. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to use Marigold. A bunch of free images and billboards, they're just left over from going for one. So we can open one. Okay, once you have that, you're going to want to take the image and you're going to add it to the texture. You want to make sure you type this in correctly. Want to copy the name, not the location, like you would for other places. You want to copy the name, and then you want to go to new layer, open elements, and then as you can see, you got the the name of the image we just replaced. So you're gonna want to paste over these two right here. I forgot one thing. Make sure you put the new Torchwood default 2 into the texture mapping or it will not work. And now when you open up the Stickerbook, there should be a new plant class in the Stickerbook. This does not work from zombies, unfortunately. I'm still figuring out how to update video on how to do that when that gets found. But for variants, it's going to be a little bit different. You're going to want to instead open costumes here and add a new costume. And then you'll want to copy this. And then when you make the new costume, you're gonna go into weapons here and change the unlock asset identifier to the weapon of the variant that you're using. So basically, like, let's say, just for example, we go to Pichu here, and I want to open the unlock asset, take this, and then throw it into here. And you want to check or uncheck is base costume. If you don't do this, it will just be a little buggy. So you want to make sure you do that. Then you can add a description you want, change the name, and then do the same process for the custom blueprint. Outside of that, you can add your own description. You want to make sure you put quotations here too. Or there'll be a bunch of question marks showing up, and you don't want that, obviously. We're going to add a random bit of text here, and that is going to do it. So now you're going to launch. Okay, so we're going to go check the Stickerbook now. So Torchwood, as you can see, the variant is there. And there's the new class, and that's the tutorial. One more thing, if you want to change the X and Y position of the image, go to the offset and layers and change, I would change the match rows. And thank you for watching.